Hey team user, ever wanted to change your background in Microsoft Teams for a more fun, professional, or distraction free look? Well, you are in luck. Today I'll show you how to add a background. Let's go. First, let's jump into a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can enter, join a scheduled meeting from your calendar, or click Meet Now to start a new meeting. Now, let's customize the background. Click the background filter button next to the camera toggle. A sidebar will appear with different background effects. If you are already in a meeting, click the three dots, then select Apply Background Effects. Time to get creative. You will get three options, None and the Standard Blur, Add New. Click Add New to set any custom background. Use a high-resolution image for the best result. Once you have picked the perfect background, click Apply and turn on video to activate it instantly. Now everyone in the meeting will see your new background. That's it. You are now looking pro with your new Teams background. And that's how you change your background in Microsoft Teams. Easy, right? If this was helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down, subscribe for more Teams tips, and thank you for watching.